Hello guys, Oukitel has officially launched a new rugged smartphone in the market. The all-new Oukitel WP17 comes with a large 6.78-inch screen and a triple camera system. So as we said, the phone comes with a 6.70-inch Full HD Plus display with a 9Hz refresh rate. It is IPS panel with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It features a triple camera system at the rear with a 64 megapixel lens and a 20 megapixel night vision camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Up front it has a 60 megapixel lens for selfies. Under the hood, the rugged phone comes powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core chipset. It has a Mali G76 GPU and 8GB of RAM. It comes with 128GB of internal storage. The device packs a huge 8300 mAh battery that comes with 18W fast charging support. It is a dual SIM smartphone supporting nano SIM and 4G connectivity. The device has a fingerprint scanner and facial recognition options for security. Since it is a rugged phone, it is evident to have shockproof certifications. So, that said, it has a MIL STD 810G certification and also boasts a IP68, IP69K water and dust proof. Let's take a look at its pricing. The Oukitel WP17 standard price will be $399, but those who pre-order now will be able to get it for only $199. This rugged smartphone comes in a black color variant. The official Oukitel links are below this video, don't forget to click on them. It's now the chance to get yourself a new mobile phone, so let it be the new and powerful Oukitel WP17. That will be all for today, see you soon in the next video, bye!